immediately after learning the news that the release of OnePlus 6T is scheduled for October 17th, we have the opportunity to see and suppose photos with the new flagship. These materials come naturally from China and feature a generous display fabric featuring the new drop-of-water style cut in the upper area, an element that is becoming more and more popular among handset manufacturers. OnePlus 6T. We also noticed that the phone has a fingerprint scanner integrated into the screen and that October 17th appears again mentioned. Looking at the number 2 photo, there are some elements that seem to suggest that the phone we are looking at here is not the new OnePlus flagship, but actually the Oppo R17 Pro with the OnePlus Yesterday wallpaper teaser. OnePlus 6T. The battery level at the top is different from the 80% indicated in the center area, and above the volume buttons are separated and united, as is usually the case with a OnePlus flagship. There is also a missing slider from here, and to make the picture more credible a OnePlus charging cable is used, suggesting that it would really be the 6T model.
Here we go.
Even so, we can consider today's photos as an exciting escape, because we already know that OnePlus 6T will be based on the Oppo R17 Pro, lending 90% of the design with small differences in the back. That being said, we expect more consistent and perhaps